Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to record and add audio in PowerPoint presentation. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and you would like to add a recorded voice or etc. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and for example I would like to add a audio on this first slide. For that you need to click here this recording icon, and after that you're going to find here something say audio. If you click this drop down menu, there is the option to audio on my PC. If you had any audio preloaded, you can simply choose that audio. But if you decide to record right now, you can just simply click this drop down menu and then click here record sound, and then you're going to see there is going to be a skin appear just like this. If you want to record audio, just simply click this circle red icon, and then that's going to be start recording. Now you can see the time code is appear, how many seconds you want to record. Simply choose if you finish recording, just click this stop icon, and that's going to be record. Now if you're done record, just click here OK, and we're going to see in our presentation there's going to be audio icon. You can easily replace this or resize this audio icon. If you decide to play this audio, just simply click this play button. It's going to be start recording. Now you can see that you can hear the voice previously just now I had record, and now let me see the preview how it's going to be played. Let me go and make here slideshow, and then let me make here from beginning, and then that's going to be start recording. Now you can see, you can hear that when I play when I click the presentation preview, it's just play with the audio. Anytime you can easily stop the play audio play or turn on or off by clicking your mouse or space if you are set with the space. So within this if you decide to make any presentation with the audio, just simply follow with this trick. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.